Where can the serve land and still be in? What about the let serves? I don't see the pros playing it. How about the return? Can it land in the kitchen? Those were just some of the questions we got after the last couple of videos. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson from Better Pickleball and VI Pickleball, where we're focused on helping players over 50 live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. In the last few videos, we've been talking about optimal positioning to receive the serve, as well as where do you stand after you have served. And those videos led to some questions some of you had about rules regarding the serve. So number one is, if a serve touches any of the lines, is it in? Well, the answer is, like in most things pickleball, it depends. We've got to go to Rule 6, specifically 6.a, to give us some guidance on that. Rule 6a tells us that a serve ball that clears the non-volley zone line and lands in the correct service court or on any correct service court line is in. If that serve touches the non-volley zone line, it's considered a fault. But it can touch any of the other lines for the correct service court. As rules questions often do, that led to a few more. Specifically, someone asked if the ball hits the net and lands past the non-volley zone line in the correct service court, is that ball in play? I've been watching the pros and they're replaying it as a let serve. My partner told me we need to replay that shot. Who's correct? In this case, you're both correct. In 2021, the rules were changed to eliminate the let serve, so that any ball that does hit the net and lands in the correct service box past the non-volley zone line is a ball that's considered in play. However, not long after, both the professional tours, the APP and the PPA, decided that they would be playing let serve. So they were going to play with the old rules. Now, one other thing, if you happen to be playing in any level other than the pro level in an APP or PPA tournament, you're going to be playing by the current rule, which means it's in play. Clear as mud? Another thing that's different at the professional level is the drop serve. The drop serve is a provisional rule that was introduced with the rule changes for 2021. And at the same time that APP and PPA decided to use the old let serve rule, they decided to also keep the old serving rules in place and not allow the drop serve in the professional division of their events. One other question that came up is, can a return of serve hit the net and land into the non-volley zone or in the kitchen? Anytime after the serve, that ball can hit the net and land in the non-volley zone, and it's still in play. That's kind of when we get the sorry, not sorry look to our opponents. If you missed the first few videos on the optimal position to stand for the serve and the return, click on this playlist over here. Because together, we can train smart, live bold, and age well.